Are you tired of the hassle of brewing your own coffee or espresso at home? Look no further than the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker by Delonghi. This sleek and stylish machine is designed to deliver the perfect cup of coffee or espresso with just the touch of a button. With its innovative features and advanced technology, it's no wonder that this machine has become the best seller on Amazon. The ultimate brewing experience, the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker offers a seamless brewing experience. With 4 single-serve cup sizes to choose from, you can enjoy the perfect amount of coffee or espresso every time. Whether you prefer a quick shot of espresso or a larger cup of coffee, this machine has got you covered. The patented Centrifusion extraction technology reads the barcode on the rim of the compatible single-serve capsules and automatically sets the brewing parameters, ensuring consistent flavor and quality. A range of aroma profiles. One of the highlights of the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker is the complimentary welcome set of Nespresso Vertuo capsules that comes with each machine. These capsules offer a range of unique aroma profiles, allowing you to explore different flavors and find your perfect cup of coffee or espresso. From bold and intense to smooth and balanced, there's a capsule for every taste preference. Convenient and efficient, this coffee and espresso maker is designed with convenience in mind. The adjustable tray allows you to accommodate different cup sizes, from small espresso cups to larger mugs. The 54 Oz water reservoir ensures that you can brew multiple cups without the need for constant refills. Plus, the machine automatically ejects used capsules after brewing, making cleanup a breeze. With a heat-up time of only 15 to 20 seconds, you can enjoy your favorite coffee or espresso in no time. And for those moments when you forget to turn off the machine, the energy-saving automatic shutoff kicks in after 9 minutes of activity. Expert reviews and customer feedback. Don't just take our word for it. The Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker has received rave reviews from experts and customers alike. The New York Times Wirecutter named it the best Nespresso machine, praising its ease of use, speed, and consistency. Customers have also praised its sleek design, quality construction, and delicious coffee and espresso it produces. In conclusion, the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker by Delonghi is a game-changer for coffee and espresso lovers. With its convenient features, range of aroma profiles, and expertly crafted beverages, it offers the perfect blend of convenience and quality. Say goodbye to long lines at coffee shops and enjoy barista-quality coffee or espresso in the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this Amazon bestseller. Get your Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker today and elevate your coffee experience to new heights.